Hey guys, we're back with our big ice buckets. We accidentally tapped out of the last video.
We left you on a cliffhanger.
Yeah, we left you on a cliffhanger. And now it's time to dump 3 of these big cups on Connor. He just got silly string, so he still has like blue hair.
Yeah, and a blue face.
Yeah, and
now
he has all over his back and stuff.
Connor's on the porch. Connor's on the porch.
No, we'll just do it to him out here.
Guys, because look, there's all this yellow stuff.
Oh yeah, we got chalk and like, yeah.
This was the cat from the silly string.
Drew just dumped it.
Guys,
this was the cat from the silly string.
Okay.
Okay, Connor, ready to get ice water poured on your head.
Nope, I hate ice on my head. Nope, Maddie, I'm gonna dump them and you
I'm gonna dump this one.
But no, I'm going first and then you. Connor, you gotta.
Okay, it's Logan up first.
No.
Okay.
Okay, first, mine's the biggest, so it's gonna be poured on your head. Maddie, pour it down the back. Angie, pour it down the front.
Can we just pour it wherever we want?
Actually, but Connor, we have to do it on the pour.
Yeah.
To hell. Because it's super pee. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Andrew, step in one of the yellow spots.
Step
in one of the yellow spots.
Yeah, we went crazy with chalk. Okay, Logan.
Nope.
And go. Go, my turn.
His turn. Danny's shirt. Danny's shirt.
Oh my God!
Hey, Connor, Connor, go straight to your room.
Wait.
No changing.
No,
Connor.
He's so.
Connor, head up to your room.
Okay, he's wet.
Head up to your room and go.
Look at the porch.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
That's just crazy. That's just cray.
Wow. Look at that. Connor's up there. There he is.
Actually, no, Connor. Stay like this. Just for a few steps.
He's like shaking.
Stay where you are, Connor. We haven't cleaned up all the yellow.
Oh yeah, we got it. No.
No. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Connor, we gotta come. Maybe we can do it for punch.
I'm doing this to you, Connor.
we got it on video.
Got a new shirt on, right?
We got it on video.
Why? Why are you guys doing this to him?
Because it's funny.
It's fun. Look at that sad little face.
Quality.
And oh, but look how stretchy his shirt is. So did you get more? Gosh.
Nope, we're not getting any more.
Oh, I
Just kidding. We're getting more.
No, you're not. Not even
No,
that
I'm not. Yes, we are. Not getting more.
wet. I'll get another cup. Wait, I just threw my cup. It's somewhere out here. Let's go and get my cup, Okay, so Connor's really mad at us. We're totally doing that. Let's go refill my disgusting cup.
I got better. Fruit punch.
Nah, we're not gonna waste fruit punch. We'll waste water, not fruit punch. Okay.
Well, Connor, it's time.
Wait, not yet. I gotta get it on video.
I know. I'll take the camera with me.
Wait, but I want to see it too. Don't do it yet, Logan. I have grass in my cup. Nice.
More cups. My dad said no more cups.
What? Okay, no more cups.
Wow, that really went together.
I'll take an ice cube though. So we're not allowed to do more cups. But if we were, that would be funny. Let's go and see Connor's sad face.
Yeah, that is called punishment because we did a challenge. And we
Shout out to Paradise Run.
By the way, we did a bet.
Right upstairs.
By the way, that was a bet.
Yeah, so just
No, I agree.
tiny shout out. Paradise Run. It's a pretty great show.
Let's see. What were your words?
Watch it. It's on Nickelodeon. Not Junior, just Nickelodeon. So shout out.
Connor, guess what? I saw you on Roblox and you put me in jail.
Here's Connor.
Oh, this is
Connor and his
not on vid. Okay, end the vid.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hope you like the underwear the best.
Okay, bye guys.